Thank you, Mr. Gajendra, for the wonderful story. The next person to come on stage is again a very well-known and highly acclaimed motivator in India. So let's go.
Which can change your financial destiny and also improve in changing your lifestyle. Am I sure about this?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what I'm going to share with you right now may not help you in everything what I'm going to say. Okay. But if you apply it in your life, I'm sure it can provide you a good results in your life. But before I proceed, for those people who do not know me, my name is T.S. Abhinandana. I'm into network marketing and I've been successful in achieving what goals I've set for myself. And I have a very, very great expectation and to achieve a bigger goal through this opportunity called Mega Bio. So before I go to the details of other things what I want to share with you, I want to share something which is very interesting, which will help you in improving yourself. Still now Mr. Tarun Ahuja and Mr. Gajendra was saying some aspects about leadership and some aspect of winning together. But I believe in something. If you want to succeed in network marketing, you first have to develop yourself. If you do not develop yourself first, how much of the product is good, how much of the plan is fantastic, whatever money is there, I have found people is finding it very difficult to succeed. Am I right or wrong? You understand me? You have to develop yourself. What I did in my life is I developed myself. And before I proceed, I'm giving you some simple strategies on how you can develop yourself. Let me share something with you right now. There were two people going in a boat, Varma and Sharma. It so happened that they were going on a boat and there was a very high tide. And unfortunately, in this high tide, Varma fell into the ocean and Sharma was inside the boat. And when Varma fell into the ocean, he was drowning. Okay, it so happened that Sharma was inside the boat, held out his hand like this and told to Varma, give me your hand, give me your hand, give me your hand. But Varma was drowning, but was not giving his hand. Then it realized to Sharma, what's wrong with my friend? I am trying to save him, I'm telling me, give me your hand, give me your hand. He stretches hand, give me your hand. But Varma was not giving his hand. Then it realized to Sharma was inside the boat, oh, Varma is not a giver, but only a taker. So he held his hand like this and told, take my hand. Immediately Varma grabbed it. You understand me? Some people, please understand this very carefully, some people are good takers. But I believe you one thing, in network marketing, you first have to be a good giver. As long as you are not a good giver, you can never ever succeed in network marketing. What Mr. Tarun Ahuja did, what Mr. Gajendra did, or what any other leaders will be doing, or what I am doing right now, to me, is giving myself to you. Yes or no? Yes or no? The more you give yourself to others, the more you succeed in this business. The less you give about yourself to others, the less you succeed in life, the less you succeed in this business. So I'll tell you something. One of the characteristic traits to become extremely successful in network marketing is you have to be a good giver. As long as you're not a good giver in your life, your chances of success is very, very less in life. Now, keeping this idea in your mind, keeping this message in your mind, keeping this principle in mind, let me go up further. What I want to share with you right now, I know some people are thinking, is this guy going to take 3 hours? Okay. Now, you know what? I won't be taking 3 hours of my talk, but I'm going to share some final message to you people. I want to share something called the ABCD of success. Please understand this. This is the foundation. Every time I have to go to school and colleges to conduct my presentation, to motivational, to go to medical college, engineering college, they used to say, Abhinandan, we like your ABCD of success. This is the foundation of the success. This is the foundation of success in any business and especially in network marketing. Now you may ask me, what is this ABCD of success? I pictured a OHP sheet. Is there a OHP sheet as a pen available? Okay. Are there empty OHP sheets? Number one, how can you control your life? How can you control your destiny? How can you control your financial future? How can you control to become successful in your business? Is you have to make choices today. If you do not make choices today, someone will make choices for you. And when someone makes choices for you, you feel, frustrated. You feel victimized in society. Is it very clear for you? I know most of the time when I go to colleges and all, most of the students tell me, Abhinandan, I don't like to do this medicine course. I want to do fashion designing. But my father made a choice for me. You understand me? But today I'm telling you, whatever it is, however elder you are, start right now making some choices. Every single day I'm making some effective choices for my future. Every single day I'm making some powerful choices for my better and for my business better and for my future also. Right now, I will only give you just 1 second. I want to come out with 3 choices. Write down my choices for my future. Write down that just 1 second, 1 minute I'll give you. You have to come to 3 or 4 choices. Be very fast. You should use a word called I choose. I choose to become successful, or I choose to become effective. I choose to succeed in this business. Start with the word called I choose. I do not know. Come out with as many choices as possible. The more the better. Start right now. Just 1 or 2 minutes. Don't look at me, start writing over there. I'll be asking 1 or 2 of your people what choices have come out. Your choices will control your life. You understand me? I came out when I was doing my first year engineering with 32 choices. Life-changing choices. Those choices are controlling my life today. And you know what? That will be a guiding force in your life. Start writing. Don't look at me. I told you to start writing. Come out with 3, 4, 5, 6 choices. Just 1 more minute. That's all. Write something. I choose. Start with a sentence called I choose.
I choose to become a great leader. I choose to become financially successful. I choose to become happy and not let negative ideas bother me.
Fantastic choices. Give her a hand up. That's excellent. You know what's happening right now? You know what is happening right now? She is, you are programming yourself. You understand me? Now when I make a choice, see, I made a choice. I should make more than 2 lakh rupees in this business. If I don't make, I just have to walk it out. I have made a choice. You understand me? What controls your life is the foundation of controlling your life is the choices you make. But you know what? People do not make choices in life. They make others go. I made a choice that I have to become a speaker. My first 4 talks were blunder. I told it in front of some 300 people, in front of a jury. I told what did I say? Good morning to respected friends and dear jury. You got what I told? I should have told the other way. They scratched my name. After 30 seconds, I'm seeing them scratching my name. I started sweating. You understand? Then I realized what mistake I've done. Understand me? We all make mistakes in our life, but you can control it by choices. Very good, fantastic choice, man. Anyone like to share? Be fast. Come on, you all wrote your choices. You should have written by now. Come on, you're not thinking. You are very, very powerful. Your brain will become empower yourself. Very good, fantastic, Kumar. What's the next one? That's all. See, your brain is extremely powerful. In a span of 1 minute, you can come with 10, 15 suggestions, 10, 15 choices. You would like to share the choices? Very good.
My choice is too high, don't laugh at.
That's okay. I will never laugh at anyone's choices.
Become richest person in the world through this opportunity.
Very good. You understand me? That's fantastic. Okay. Any other choice? Okay. Anyone would like to change their choices?
Mr. Abdul,
Okay.
I'd like to have a pom-pom, P-O-M, that is plenty of money and peace of mind.
Very good. Fantastic. You are all trying to condition your life right now. So I'm sure most of the people. What about yourself, sir?
I choose to be always optimistic.
Very good. Fantastic. Okay.
I choose to be always as a motivator.
Very good. Excellent.
I choose to be always to love my work.
Very good. Fantastic. These are effective choices. You understand me? Now I'll tell you what to do with your choices. Now I'm sure most of you, some people choose them. You understand me? You have to make choices today. When you write 2 choices today, tomorrow when you're going to write another 2 choices, you read your first 2 choices. Everyone understood? You understand me? Read the first 2 choices. On the 3rd day, what you do know? Read the first choices. Is it very clear for you? But now it's already programmed to me. There was a time when I remembered all my 35 choices by heart. You know what was my choices? I choose to be able and active. I choose to be bold and benevolent. I choose to be creative and having a good context. I choose to be have the desire and determination. I choose to be educatable and enterprising. Very good, fantastic. Okay.
I decided to know as a self-motivator.
Fantastic, excellent.
I decided to develop the business with brilliant plans.
Very, very good. See, he's giving a suggestion now. This will be action-oriented right now. Okay, very good. What's your name, sir?
Vijay Kumar.
Very good. Okay, your upline is lucky. Okay. Now, tell me who's the person. Niranjan, tell me Niranjan.
To build a strong network in my native place, Prod, Karnataka.
Very good. You should use a word called I decide. I decide ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು affirmation ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ನೀವು ನಿಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನಮಗೆ? You are telling to yourself, I decide today.
I decide create more leaders in my network.
Fantastic. I decide to create. See what I've decided something about my business. This is confidential, okay? I mean, and I've decided that. Okay, fantastic.
I decide earn minimum 50,000 after 6 months.
Very, very good. Yes, I mean, I decide. See, that will now when you make this decision, what will happen to him? No, it will empower him. In fact, he told in front of 150 people, I decide to earn 50,000 rupees per month. I always keep saying, see Mr. Tarun Ojha, every of my leaders I say, every of the people I have decided to join in this business and make 2 lakh rupees per month. That's a decision. That is going to motivate me. That's going to drive me. That is going to make me to work. You understand me? You have to make a decision. Fantastic, Niranjan.
I decide to help my downlines best of my knowledge and ability with my applies and company support.
Fantastic. That's excellent. You understand me? That's amazing. Anything else, Niranjan? I'm proud about you. Okay. Now, any of the other people's decision? Okay. Sudhakar?
I decide to read more motivational books.
Fantastic. Very important. Yatra?
And retired person in the society to give the financial stability.
Fantastic. Excellent. You understand me? Noble cause in your decision. Okay? Excellent. Anyone would like to share? A lot of people are there. 150, 200.
I decide to join 100 people within 31st of August.
Very good. Okay. So, any other decision?
Fantastic, which has reaped harvest for me because I am the first stockist of this country.
Very good. Excellent.
Abhinandan.
Okay. Very good. Best of luck. Niranjan, sir. You say yours, sir.
In the world.
Okay. Very good. Fantastic.
I decide to healthier and wealthier by mega boy only.
Okay. Very good.
People around the world and adopt their strategies in my life.
Very good.
And I decide to make a huge difference in the life of others and in the process myself.
Very good.
And I decide to be a multi-millionaire.
Very good. Fantastic. You understand?
I will definitely set the goals and achieve the goals.
Okay, very good. Fantastic, Philip. But let me tell you something for you. Please.
Successful my life.
Okay.
Under
Give him a big hand. You understand? That's a fantastic thing. I believe in myself.
I'll become a successful
Okay.
in life.
I become successful in life. I believe I can become successful in life.
And I'll believe in mega boy opportunity.
Fantastic. You understand me? Okay, that's excellent.
I can achieve all my dreams come true.
Okay, I'll tell you something maybe tomorrow day. See, you shouldn't say. I know some people are saying Prasanna and all. Shouldn't just.
Characteristics and motivate them to succeed.
Very, very good. You understand me? That's what. See, that is what the belief I created. You understand me? One day I believed. You understand me?
Become a powerful speaker, best motivator, trainer and presenter, just like a Abhinandan.
Don't use my name,
I
okay?
believe mega business opportunity is a powerful system to become successful and all our dreams come true.
Very good. You should say, I believe I can be a good motivator, good speaker, good trainer. For that you have to take action later, which I'll tell you. A stands for action. You understand me? Now I'll tell you.
And pass on some part of it to the deserving people and deserving cause as I feel fit.
Very good.
For this, one must have confidence in their own confidence.
Very good. I believe I can be a greatest. Actually, it doesn't come in belief, it will come in choice. I believe I choose to be active. Don't use negative words. It's absolutely no use if you don't take action in life. Yes or no? Yes. You understand me? You should take action in life. Just do it. That's what I focus on. First decision. Every second, your mind what to focus on. See, I'm talking right now, my mind what to focus on. You understand me? Now, as soon as I finish my work, go sit down over there, what to focus on. That time I'll say, what to focus on what the speaker is saying over here. You understand me? If not, your mind will go somewhere else. You are not in control of your life. What to focus on? Second one, very important, extremely important. What to do next. You understand me? These two decisions should always be in your control of your life. What to focus on, what to do next. Shall we repeat this one very powerfully? It should become a mantra to you. This is the mantra which will control your life. You understand me? I want you to repeat with me very powerfully. Don't fold your hands, be with me. Just open your voice. You understand me? Now we'll repeat this 5 to 10 times. What to focus on, what to do next. Start. What to focus on, what to do next. What to focus on, what to do next. Raise your voice. What to focus on, what to do next. What to focus on, what to do next, what to focus on, what to do next, what to focus on, what to do next, what to do next, what to... Still raise your voice. When the cricket match in Saurav Ganguly hits a sixer, whoa! You scream like that, yes or no? You understand me? Scream, focus on, what to do next, what to focus on, what to do next, what to focus on, what to do next. Focus on this one, focus on your business. You understand me? When people tell me, Abhinandan, come, we'll go to this film, come, we'll go to have a party over here. Says, no, you have it, I will go. Because I know what to focus on next, what to do next. You will start chatting over there. You understand me?
A loud applause, please. Thank you.
One of my top directors who's come down all the way from Malaysia, Mr. Mani Raj, to express what it is all about. Let's welcome Mr. Mani Raj.